I'm sure you've heard the news. Plumbing problems can escalate quickly. Don't let them ruin your home. Let's dive into the top 5 plumbing issues you need to fix now. First up, leaky faucets. Those pesky drips can waste gallons of water and signal worn-out washers or seals. Next, clogged drains. Hair, soap scum, and food particles can build up over time, causing slow drainage or even complete blockages. Running toilets are another biggie. They can waste tons of water and hike up your bill, often due to a faulty flapper or fill valve. Low water pressure. This might be from sediment buildup, leaks, or issues with your local water supply. And finally, burst pipes. Whether from freezing, corrosion, or high water pressure, they can cause serious water damage. Don't wait. Address these issues now to keep your plumbing healthy. Call 607-358-9901 today to get your plumbing problems fixed by a qualified professional. That's 607-358-9901. Your home deserves the best care.